Good morning, students. Today we will learn about angles. You must have seen angles around yourself, but you are not aware of that. That's why you have not noticed. In this, we will learn new terms: angle, vertex, arms. What is an angle? When two rays or line segments meet at a common point, they form an angle. When you open your two fingers, adjacent fingers, the distance between them is called angle. Parts of an angle. Vertex. The point at which the two rays meet or intersect is called the vertex. In figure you can see the point O is the point where two line segments OA and OB are meeting. This point is called vertex of the angle. Arms. Each of the two rays or line segments form an angle are called arms or sides of an angle. In the figure you can see line segments OA and OB are the arms of the angle AOB. Interior and exterior of an angle. You are familiar with interior and exterior terms. Interior means inside, exterior means outside. The shaded portion between the arms BA and BC of the angle ABC can be extended because this portion is lying between the two rays. This portion is called the interior of the angle. X is point which is lying in interior of the angle. Exterior. All the space on the plane that is not in the interior, outside it, is called the exterior of the angle. How do we denote an angle? That means notation of angle. An angle is represented by the symbol. You can see how is it forming. When you open your two fingers, your fingers look like this. Or when you open the compass, they form an angle. How do we name an angle? There are two ways of writing an angle. One way is with vertex only. In the figure, you can see B is the vertex of the angle, so we can write it as angle B. Or we can write another way, we can write vertex in the center using all the three alphabets. We can write it as angle ABC or angle CBA. You can notice vertex is very important term in writing name of an angle. You can see examples of angle around us. Billiard table, your hair, clock. Many are examples of angles. You can see pizza, open mouth of fish, aeroplane. So you can see the angles around yourself anywhere. Now your expression learning is explore different objects depicting angles that we observe in our day-to-day life. Keep revising. Thank you, students.